Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another amazing tutorial about Flutter login UI page, and this one is literally a second part of our app. I hope you will like it. And if you watch first part of this login UI, we already developed a login page, and in this one we are going to developing a sign in page and a forgot password page with navigating to different pages. So let's get started. So now we already make our login page and also set my app and main function and my home page. So now you can see a login page with a text field and a login button and a sign up button. So we need a forget password text. So let me write a text and text set to be a forget password and also done some styling of text style and in my text style font size of 20 and colors dot gray of shade 100. Let's restart the app. Nice, we can see forget password text over here. And now let me wrap this text with a widget of gesture detector. So gesture detector have a property of on tap, and on tap have a function which leads to navigator dot push, and push leads to context and material page route, and material page route leads to builder, and this needs to context and then a fat arrow. And after this we have to replace with our class. So let's make a new page of forget underscore password dot, and let me import this package and a stateless widget return a forget password here. Now let me return the material page route, and this will set to a forgot password. Nice. And let's restart the app. So let's click on this forgot password text and check is this navigate to a next page. So yes, this is navigating to a forgot password page. So we can see. So let me wrap this with a row, and row have a main property of main axis alignment, and main axis alignment dot end. So it's align the text to the end of main axis, And let me wrap with this padding widget, and let me change this to dot only from right, means padding from right of 20. So let's check. Yes, this navigates to the next page, which is forgot password dot dot. This is nice. Now what we do next? So we have to make a UI for our forgot password page. So let's copy this code and remove this placeholder and paste it over here. Nice. So now there are some errors. So let's import this package, and there we don't need a forgot password, and there we import a package. Nice. And let's restart the app and check. So this is insane. So we have to change the background image. So let's change this image, and now restart the app. Nice. So we can see the visible differences. So let's remove this code. We don't need to this code, and let's make some changes of like forgot password, and there subtitle. So we can change this subtitle to enter the email associated with your account to reset the password. Nice. So we see an error. So we have to solve this render flow error by removing this text field. So as I already told you that we have to remove this text field. So let's remove this text and also this text, and restart the app. So now we can see only one text field, and let's change these colors to colors dot gray and to shade of 700, and remove this const from here and putting const over here. Nice. So let's check our text field. So it's looking perfectly. So let's go to our login page, and now we have to make a UI for sign up page. So let's make a file of for sign up page. So sign up dot dot and import this material dot dot package and a stateless widget, and this leads to sign up, and let's remove this and paste this. Nice. So we can see that we have to go to the sign up page. So now let's copy this all code and paste it over here. And now let me import this package for my button, and we don't need to forget password. So let's remove this and also a size box. So as a programmer, we have to use code again and again. So this makes complexity in the app lesser and make our app and code as well much cleaner. So we simply remove this from this code snippet, and let me change this background image for sign up page. Nice. So we can see our visible differences. So let's change the height for frosted glass, because in our sign up page we need 5 to 6 text fields. That's why we have to increase the size of frosted glass. And let's change this text to get started, and this subtitle text to sign up to get started with this amazing app.